Hi everyone. Client sent me his second gen LC200 for a total makeover. This is his workhorse. As you can see, faded headlight, defective, the other side defective headlight, been in collision. As you can see also the bumper, misaligned and defect, even the skirt. We'll check under the hood. Okay, defective hood shocks also, it won't go up. The engine bay needed to be detailed and checked for leaking. Mainly scratches, fade, we'll check on the passenger side interior. Okay. Dirty carpet, sidings, defective. Okay, let's go to the back. Faded tint also, we're going to replace. Okay, let's go to the other side. We need to align all the side skirt. Check the tailgate. Okay. We should also replace the tailgate shocks. It's defective also, by the way. The upholstery is... I suggest we're going to change all the upholstery, as you can see. And see the sidings, going to replace, upholster. As you can see, the driver's side seat is also cracked. Steering wheel damage, we're going to replace, and we're going to paint the middle. And also the shift knob. And also detail the interior. We'll make a videos after few months we're going, what we're going to do on this LC200. Always stay tuned here at PRS. Hi everyone. After few months of repair and restore, here is it. From black to pearl white. As you can remember, this is a broken headlight and broken bumper. We fixed the bumper, painted the grille on the middle, matte black with hyper silver color. We replaced the high beam to LED and also the fog lamp to yellow. We'll show you. Also, we replaced the wiper to brand new because it's already defective. And also the cover for the nut, we replace also. As you can see from the outside, it's already very fresh, look like brand new. And also we replaced the shocks of this one to Tain Enduro Pro Plus 16 ways adjustable. And also we paint the wheel well to body color for a cleaner look. And also we upgraded the wheels to Nito tires with Jaos Bacos wheels, 22-inch wheels. And then also we replaced the old towing to tow hitch with ball mount, 2-in-1. Also, we replaced all the seats to genuine leather. And also those like the handle, which are defect also, like the upper and the side and the door pillar grab handle, we also replaced to brand new one. What other day? We detailed the interior because it's very dirty already. And also the tint, we replaced this to BF Film Ceramic Supreme Plus. This is a 99% heat rejection. And also we reupholster the steering wheel. And for the electrical of this unit, we also fixed like the ABS system on this one, the aircon system, the aircon control. We changed oil with using fully synthetic oil. We replaced the fuel filter. We also replaced the brake pads. Everything, we fixed this unit to a tip-top condition because the clients wants to keep this unit. What other things left before I forget? Also, we replaced those defective suspension parts like the tie rod end also. And what other? The check engine also is included in the electrical. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. By the way, do a video in all 360 on a unit. Every details matter here at PRS. This side. It's like brand new, came out of the factory. See you here, everyone. Bye.